Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, it's a nice beautiful day. Nice beautiful day. And if you see my last video, this is my new daily driver and there is a list of maintenance stuff I'm going to be doing. And in the list of stuff needs to be done, this is the first one. It's getting an oil change. Plain and simple oil change. It's going to be fast, sweet, things you should be doing, things you shouldn't be doing. Let's go ahead, let's show you how it's done. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. Toyota is not my thing, it's my first one. Yeah, not the first one, third one. I have a couple of 300ZX twin turbos and I'm 32 Skyline. Don't have the XR anymore. Great news. That's just great news. That's why I have the Taco. And again, if this is your first time on my channel, I make avid financial mistakes. If you're 21 and younger, stop, watch a cat video, talk to a female, do anything else other than be a car enthusiast, because it is absolutely detrimental to your financial health. Now the warning is out of the way. Let's show you how to do an oil change on a 4-banger Toyota Tacoma.
All right, so while you roll under, there's a 14 mil bolt. I think I'm gonna have to use both hands. So once you take that bolt off, just right around here, there's the filter. You're gonna take the filter off. And then we'll see you on the top. Ooh, that header looks juicy. I can also see that this is the oil pressure sending unit and that's leaking. Maybe something I should keep in mind to do later on. Over here, the compressor itself seems like leaking. Something I should keep that in mind. Now, having said that, I was supposed to receive a rebuilt compressor with this vehicle, but the dealership pulled a fast one. But I'm not gonna let them go. I'm not gonna let them go. They will feel the amount of trouble that I will bring it towards them. Okay, going back to the oil change. So I took this bolt out and there's this weird little washer. Usually these are crushed washer, but I don't know what this washer looks like. I cleaned it. I don't have a crush with me now, so I'm going to gently put this washer back. What you should also take notes is, in my vehicle, the oil cap says 530. Now, if you look online, different part of the world, different regions, they say different weights. Some will say 0.20, some say 540, some say 1040, 1030, it's all over. So, word of advice is whatever's in your oil cap, use that. So I am using this AC Delco filters because they were literally $3 at Rock Auto, the cheapest one I could find, and they're reasonably well. AMSOIL OA530, they're one of the best oil in the market. What you should always do is, in a filter that goes gravity up, fill it up with some oil, always. Because what it does is, right now your engine doesn't have any oil, and everything out of the oil pump and everywhere, it's empty. Oil galleries are empty. Once you have some oil inside the pump, inside the filter, it's just the first couple of seconds until the oil flow comes in. You reduce that time, so your engine is first couple of seconds, it's not really totally out of oil. Could be me just being a little too anal, but this is an old mechanic trick. A lot of the older gentlemen that I deal with do it, and there is method to this madness. So when you start pouring the oil in, because of the location, I don't think I'm going to use a funnel. So what I was saying is, when you start filling the oil in, make sure your vehicle is off any jack stand or anything like that, in a flat surface, because it is very important to find out the fuel full level. That way you're not overfilling or underfilling your vehicle. It'll take 5.5 quarts, so quart number 1. Number 2. Stay there. Three. If any of you have any question related to AMSOIL related products, feel free to reach out to me. I'm a dealer myself. I advocate for high quality AMSOIL oils. Do feel free to reach out, leave it in the comment section. Number 4. At this point, I'm going to check the fuel level. So you take the thing out, wipe it off in a clean rag, put it back in and out. So I'm not there yet. I know it takes 5.5 quart. So I'm gonna put the 5th quart in, start the vehicle, run it 30-40 seconds, and then put the remainder half. It's drained up. Put the oil cap back on. Going to go inside and give it a quick start. You will see the fuel level low light, which is, where's that fuel level low light? Huh. I guess it doesn't have it. There's no fuel level low light. That's all it needs. Okay, I took it out, wiped it off, put it back in and out. Moment of truth. So I can't really see. So it is about halfway. I guess it will, after all, need the half of the quart. Number 5. Half a quart. So we're all buttoned up over here. I checked the drain plug and the oil filter for leaks. Nothing leaks. I'm going to clean up the area that I made a mess, and that oil goes to a recycle facility. Basically, the local Canadian Tire takes off the old oil and they recycle it environmentally safely way. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. This is one of the other maintenance things that I had to do in my Taco. The next video is going to be how to replace the transmission oil, and then the one after that is how to replace the differential oil. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and bell notification. A lot more awesome stuff, shenanigans, some boring daily driver stuff coming in.